ako.
After this, then next is Yati. One by one, okay? You tell something what you. Something for what? Fish or what? No, something inside this one.
Strawberry apple.
We use for house, use for bathroom.
Kunin mo ito malandi. Atin yan.
This one, hey, take time. Those who have. Ate. You have?
I have a lot.
Okay, next, Yati, something for
Yeah, I have it.
house. Normal, okay. Okay, use one, use lang. Normal, okay, ito lang. Okay, Merry Christmas! Yeah,
I don't have any. This is for beauty.
Okay,
If you wear this, you look so beautiful. One, two, three.
Okay, next. Become happy cause it's Christmas, that's why, right? Yeah. Okay. Next. Oh, guys, you bring something. What is yours? Something what? Something nice guy. Yeah, nice guy. Nice. Something nice guy. Okay.
Darling ko.
Okay. Next question.
Oh.
Something what? Hey, nobody take picture ah. Video. Video ah. Okay.
Make sure you write this before dating, okay?
Dating. Anybody else brought the any dance items?
Why you never take?
No, no, wait. Left already, friends. Left already. They went back home. They have something also. So I will take for them lah. Right.
For guys, do nothing, ah.
Already. Thank you so much.
Daddy, for guys, do nothing, ah. You go back, we go back, ah. You go back.
You got condom, don't worry.
No, I got a ball.
Finish already?
I got a ball.
I think you balls.
Okay, guys. This one is the one the Filipino just now they came here, right? Yeah. They cannot wait, so they have something for you guys for you kitchen wear.